yourself already in doing this. So probably this is more the moment to do it more jointly or in a more comprehensive way. And just a final thing, if you might say more what innovation means in these specific topics, or what you expect, so from the FPR point of view, what would be an innovative project in this respect, or any proposal can be innovative because there's much to be done.
Yeah, I mean, we mentioned the ICT tools for delivering the program of the different program to the patient. This is something which could be where innovation is needed, and the way of delivering this information is very important, and there is room here for innovation for the applicant consortium. I don't know, but maybe you have...
I think we on purpose have not made too many specific proposals here to keep it open and to keep a lot of flexibility on the applicant side on what could be done. It can be technology towards e-learning, new ways, new channels to reach the patient. It can be on the content side. Innovative is certainly also if we can reach, and if with the help of the applicant consortium we can reach a much broader coverage of Europe across disease areas to reach more patients than we currently do in the fragmented approach we have.
So the idea is really that more informed patients could participate to the role they have to play in how to say, drug development process. So the pharma company are aware of the importance of the patients here, and better they are informed and better they can participate to this endeavor. I mean, there might be intuitively priorities like major disease, whatever, that could be tackled, but we prefer to leave it this way to make sure that this gives freedoms to all patient associations to eventually participate or to, how to say, apply together with other members of the consortium. And the idea is not really to have competition here between the different patient associations. The best thing will be to have an umbrella where all of them could participate, because then we will reach this critical mass, as Matthias was mentioning, that the outcome could benefit to all patients.
Just linked to that, I just want to confirm, is it meant to cover the whole of Europe or just the 6 main languages?
For the time being,
the whole of Europe.
For the time being, I think it will be these 6 major languages, but of course, in other programs we have tried to tackle this issue.
You said you had kept it very short on purpose, but I'm missing here is like mainly talk about patient organization. I think these would probably be the main contributor. But there are other, and you talk about doing a needs assessment of existing things, but there are like the national authorities who are very much involved in patient information. So kind of missing these, and then I miss another group, which are the professionals. I mean, until now, the patient is actually listening to the doctor, what he tells him, and that they're kind of involved in these information concept. I think that's very important, and I kind of miss it. At least mentioned here that
what we've said is that is the information to be addressed to the patient, but we didn't define the group which is going to tackle this issue to deliver the information. So the information has to be, how to say, delivered to patient, has to deliver to journalists, venture capitalists, eventually, whatever. But and of course, when we say target other audiences, among these other audiences will be those who are a bit more privileged than the patients, for which we have already existing tools and course running. So that's why they are not coming in priority, but doesn't mean that they are not at all welcome to be part also of the...
No, I think we have never mentioned explicitly specific groups, specific participants we want to see in the consortium in any of the IMI calls. This is open to you. Your consortium should have the complete expertise, everything you need. FPIA cannot deliver, that you need to fulfill the objectives.
My only concern here was in the way it is described, that it looks like...
Purely patient organization.
Yes,
no,
and it looks like as well when you talk about web pages in a language suitable, not only web pages, there's more. Like, kind of, I'm missing a bit that you open it up, even so you don't need to mention it all.
I mean, but it was mentioned other targeted audiences.
Yeah.
And then here you have to define which one you would like to address, which one you would like to profit from this program.
The other question I had, and I think I don't see this, well, maybe you have you had mentioned it earlier, but is the question of sustainability. I mean, this project runs over 5 years, and then what? Will FPR continue to support it? Will the Commission continue to support it? National authorities? I don't know. How will this go on?
This is something the project has to develop. And this is an element we have in all IMI projects currently. The project team itself, the full project proposal consortium, has to at least define a process and define a specific group that takes care of this. They do not have to have the answer in the beginning. So this is nothing you have to have in the EOI. You probably can't. And we on the FPR side also do not have a final solution for that. But it's clear we need something then to make that sustainable.
Sustainability, yeah.
Absolutely right.
Okay, I think that